Hello traders, welcome back to another video. So on today's video we're gonna be doing a review on the easiest way to trade Boom and Crush ICT smart money concepts, guys, of which it was posted on the 24th February 2025 and it got 209 views, 4 comments and 16 likes, guys. To my surprise, this trading analysis went in our direction, all of them, guys, but like it seems like YouTube is shadow banning all my videos just because this is not acceptable, or maybe the thumbnail is bad. I don't know, guys. Drop a comment of what you think is happening. Why do I get like some low views like this? 209 views, guys. Let me just do the review so that you can see what I'm talking about. So firstly, we were looking at Boom Crush 500, guys, and I was using the 4-hour time frame for our analysis. So as you can see here, we had the market pushing down. As you can see, we're just gonna throw out like the overall breaks of structures. I'm not gonna map out like everything to a T, whereby I was doing it on the video here, on the video that we just showed you. You're just gonna have to look at the video and see what I was talking about. So these are the multiple breaks of structures that we had to the downside now. So multiple breaks of structures to the downside, and this was another break of structure within this point, and another one happened within this area here, if I'm not mistaken. So this was not a break. As you can see, this was the break, sorry about that, and we had a change of character within here. But like, it's very stressful, guys, just because I'm sharing valuable content. I don't know why you don't like my videos, guys. Is it the sound or something? Just because I'm sharing quality content. You can see this is Boom 500 and everything went to a T just because we had a change of character. Then we had this low as, and then we had the high, then we had this area here as our imbalance, like we talked in the video. Then we had this area of supply. As you can see from this point, I was looking at this area of supply, and I told you guys that we just have to wait for a change of character. So let me just draw out like the areas that I'm talking about here. So we had the fair value gap, but like it's okay, guys, as long as if you don't like the content, I'm just gonna drop the content for those who like the videos, guys. It's not a problem, I'm not complaining, it's okay. So as you can see here, we had the fair value gap, we had the OB, then now we can just remove everything. So we were looking at the lower time frame for us to get a change of character so that we can look for buying opportunities, like I told you, so that we can target this area here. Just because this area was taking out, we had liquidity within this point. I was talking about the liquidity before I forget. So as you can see here on the 1 hour, you can see that the market was pushing down internally. We had this low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then the market made a higher low, then a higher high. So this was not a change of character within this point. This was not a change of character. Change of character happened around here. This was when you got your change of character. This was your church around here, church around here, and now we are looking into areas of interest. So you can just use your FIB tool, but like it's obvious that the market pushed up, guys. There was nothing I could do but just share the videos with you so that you can learn and make money, guys. That's what I always want, making money and just learning, guys, just learning from the things that I know. So the fair value gap happened here, the OB happened around here. It's that simple, it's that simple, guys. Imagine if I got to teach you like for a week or two, how will you be trading? How will your trading change, guys? Just imagine. So this was the entry here. Didn't take the entry. I didn't take the entry just because I mostly trade on gold, guys, now most of the time. So as you can see, this is the setup, this was the target here, and everything is lining up perfectly, as you can see here. And then if you have any questions, just watch the previous video so that you can get to understand why we took this setup, how we got about mapping our structures, just because you need to understand structure mapping before you could just go into the markets and just do your thing. Just because it takes time for you to understand market structure. It really took me time to understand everything that I'm doing here. Very simple whenever you understand it, very hard whenever you're starting off, but like it takes time whenever you give yourself time to just analyze the market without trading and doing anything. And just trading on demo is just another thing. Just try and fund your account with like $10. Use the link in the description below create your account, synthetic account, fund with $10 or $20, take one position per day, take one position per week, per month, depends on you, up until you get a feel of the market, up until you get to understand each and everything that's going on here. Then that is when you can get to execute the way that I do, guys. Just because I shared the setup with confidence, each and every setup that I share on this YouTube channel, I make sure that I'm confident to share it with everyone. Just because even though I have like 5,000 subscribers, but like I'm sharing all my videos with millions and millions of people. Even though like I get like 200 views, it's okay. 16 likes, it's okay, as long as those people who need my videos watch them, then I'm happy. I won't lie, guys. So let's just look at the last pair that we had, or the currency that, or the instrument that we had. So we were looking at Crash 500, and obviously it's on daily, it's on the 4 hour time frame. So same as the other one, guys. So we talked about having a break of structure within this point. It was a small break of structure, but like you need a body break before you can confirm if something is a break of structure or not. And then after having that break of structure, we had a change of character within this point. So after having that change of character, we can clearly notice what happened. Having the change of character, the market pushed down into this area here. And then after having that change of character, we pushed into this area here, tapped into it nicely, and then our current trade was around here. It's because we had this break of structure. And then what we were expecting is for the market to dip down into this area. We analyzed it around here. The market was just around here. We were just waiting for a 3 candle push down before we can expect an entry. So as you can see here, from the high to the low, obviously the market tapped into an area of interest, of which it's this OB here, this sell to buy candle here, of which it's this one here. So that's your order block. For those who don't know how to map out order blocks, you need your sell to buy candle if you're looking for a demand zone, and then a supply zone, you're looking for a buy to sell candle, guys. Then that is when you can take your entries. So from the 1 minute time frame, you can obviously 1 hour time frame, sorry about that, you can obviously see that the market pushed up, even though like there was no structures within here. The only structure that we had was this one for us to get a change of character on the 1 hour, guys. So this is the chart here on the 1 hour time frame, or maybe the 15 minute had something. Just because I didn't trade these setups, I'm just being honest with you guys, I didn't trade them, I just shared them with you just because I'm confident in what I do, guys. So as you can see here, we had this area of interest, then the market pushed to the upside very nicely. And for those who are scared on taking risk entries, you can obviously see that we had another opportunity within here, just like that. Even though this is a weak creation, but like it does wonders when it comes to trading your Bowman crashes, because these candles or weak candles here are price, guys. Everywhere it's price, but like here it's not a liquidity sweep, but like a change of character, and the market pushed to the upside. So as you can see, these were the setups that I had for you, and yeah, I'll see you on another video. And guys, drop a comment of what you think about the setups that I'm sharing with you so far. Are you learning or you are unlearning, guys? Just because I'm trying to make best traders out of you and learn how I trade, is because there are best traders out there, there are best YouTubers out there that drop educational content every time. But like, are you enjoying my educational content, or I'm just wasting my time, or I'm just giving you like the wrong information? But like, I'm just confirming to you guys that I am dropping good information that you can use to learn and make money in the markets, guys. So I'll see you on another video. Peace and love.